Hello, it's Mark from Not Taught at School and welcome to today's video. So in this video I'm going to share with you an absolutely awesome method that anybody can use to make some extra money online and from home. And for this method all you need is access to the internet. So you can do this, you can do this with your phone, laptop, tablet, PC. It really doesn't matter. And the rate of pay is relatively okay. So look, before I jump into the video, if you like, simple and easy ways to make money online, come over to my blog over here, just click on make money and you can scroll through here and find, lots of different methods for making money online. I trial things and I test them and I also share, and there's a members area with free resources to make money online. Okay, so go ahead and check this out if you want a different way to what we're going to be looking at today. But today's method, it's pretty unique and I'll share the website with you now because I found this when I was doing some research for an article I was going to put over here on the blog, and I stumbled across this website purely by accident really. So let me go ahead and share the website with you now. Okay, so this here is the website and it's called randomly.shop. Now over on this website here, basically it's an Amazon affiliate associate site. So this website owner or creator here, they're sharing these articles. If you just literally, it's just top 10 lists of products over on Amazon, and if anyone clicks on these it sends them over there, and this website here will earn a commission. Now at this moment in time they're putting out a hell of a lot of content, and this is just one article here. So the 10 best hydrators, we've got this one over here, the best dresses, the best skeleton makeup products on Amazon, and all what's happening here is they're just going through Amazon and looking at cool and unique products and they're putting them on the website over here like so. It's not difficult to do this sort of thing, and I'll just show you this. So basically this is the website and they've got products and books and other things, and if I click on here you can see they have all different categories. So you can go into all these different categories, and let's just click on, let's say, I don't know, let's just go with, I don't know, digital cameras. Let's have a look at that. Okay, and we click on start and you can see, look, they've got one here, and if I click across, this is it. So this is a pretty standard website. However, what I've noticed on here is they're putting out a lot of content on here every single day. And then when I was doing a little bit more research, I found this over on the website. Do you love shopping? Become an online product hunter. So you can actually get paid to window shop. So what does that mean? So see here, online product hunters at randomly.shop scour the internet for the coolest, most unique, innovative products on the world's largest online marketplace to add them over onto this website here. Look, you can apply from any country. All you need is an internet connection. Perks of working for this company: you can work on your own schedule at any time for any length, work from anywhere, including your living room. Scroll down here, look, $10 per hour. So they will pay you $10 per hour. And looking at this website and going through all of these different articles here, whether it's this one, or any of these, they're basically sending people over to Amazon. So what your job realistically will be, or your side hustle will be, to go on Amazon and just go through and find products and deals. And it isn't that hard really, because if I come over here onto Amazon, so let's just go onto Amazon, let's just go with .co.uk, and we'll go over here really quickly. And then over here you can see we've got today's deals. So you can go in here and find all of the deals that are currently on the website. And if we go in here further, you can even filter this via lightning deals and all of these different categories over here. Don't worry about this, I'll just blur this on. But we can go in here and have a look at different promotions and different deals that are on. So if I just click on video games and accessories, scroll down, let's just go a bit further down. Look, you can see these are all deals. So like this one here, look, it's got 15% off. This is a deal. This here, this is a deal. This here, a deal. You can see basically these are all deals in the gaming category. If I go back up here and let's just go with, I don't know, say toys and games. Again, scroll down here and look, here's a deal. Here's a deal. Go a bit further down, look, here's another one. Look, 17% of people have claimed this. Scroll further down, here's another one, etc. etc. So this isn't difficult to do in any way, shape or form. The only thing is, it would be a little bit time consuming for the person doing this and whoever is running this site, and that is why they will pay you $10 per hour to go ahead and do this work for them, because obviously Amazon are going to pay them a commission or an affiliate fee for sending traffic over to them. So it's pretty good really. So it's good for this website here, and it's also good for you, if you're looking for a little side hustle or a simple and an easy way to earn some extra money online and from home, and it's $10 per hour. So if you want to go ahead and apply to this, it shows you down here, email us, and down here look, it's here. So just email them, and you can see on here with a 2 to 3 sentence explanation of why you'd be great at tracking down the coolest products, and that's it. And literally that is genuinely it. So you could go over here and you can use this, but what I'll also do is I'll share with you another website that you could use. If I come over here, this is another good thing. You can go on here and type in fatfingers.com. If you come onto this website here, basically you can go and filter this via different deals. Now this is over on eBay. Now on this website here, they may have different options for listing things over on eBay as well. So you can come over here and you can select this via your country. And if we were just let's just go on here and have a look at one really quickly. So we'll go over to not this one, this one over here. Best skeleton makeup products. So let's just copy that. You can come over here, click on paste and click on find, and basically this website here will show you any listings where there's been a misspelling in the word skeleton or makeup, and basically you can go ahead and get the product for cheap. You can also click on last minute, and look, you can go through and find lots of products in here. This is one website that you can use. This is predominantly for eBay, but you can also use, you can just go on Google and type in how to find great deals on Amazon. Okay, and literally look, the secret to finding deals on Amazon. Have a look at this article. This one over here. Just go ahead and have a look at this. Look, freebie delivery. Look, what's this? Free delivery loopholes and more. Amazon discount finder. Look, find deals with 80% savings. So you can come over onto this website here, and you can basically just go through and have a look. So you can click on look department. So if you wanted to go and say baby discount, let's just go with, we'll leave it on 10. Scroll down, we'll put it on under 15, and we'll click on search. And I mean, look, top deals. There's hundreds of deals on here, and just using this website and a couple more we've looked at, it will save you a lot of time and effort into going through all of this and doing it manually. So that's just a couple of different websites that you can use. The first one was for eBay. This one over here is for Amazon. Simple, easy, and as you've seen over here, you can do this at home. It's not difficult. So I will drop a link to this website below. It's called randomly.shop, but $10 per hour at home, finding products that you can see here. Uncover the greatest products the internet has to offer. If you look at this, I mean, these aren't the greatest products the internet has to offer. They're just basically putting out content so they can get affiliate commissions. So look, that is today's video. If you want other ways to make money online, I'll leave a couple of videos up on the screen for you, and as always, there's links to my free courses down below. So thanks again. If you have any comments or questions, let me know. Have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow.